Good day, everyone, especially to you, sir. So this is my another video report presentation about my understanding in our topic in the chapter 2. First is characteristics of science materials. Number 1. Recent important due to rapid change. Older works may only be used for comparative studies. Math stat procedures are more stable. No, Number 2. Objective and based. Avoid one side or based content. Number 3. Relevant only cite materials related to the study. Number 4. Sufficient quantity. 10 for undergrad thesis, 15 to 25 for masters, 20 plus for doctoral. Suggestive. Next is waste of citing. By author, writer discuss its source separately with footnotes by topic, group, and summarize similar opinion from multiple choice. Logical cites in order of publication year. Only major findings, ideas, generalization, principles, or conclusion relevance to the study, usually summarized, paraphrased, or synthesized. Quote only if the statement is fact, con- controversial, and not so long. And, and last is justification of the study. So this clarify no duplication, even replication are valuable to check if findings apply locally or to affirm negate prior result for formulation general principles that contribute to knowledge.